Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. If Roblox keeps showing a no internet connection or problem reaching servers message, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few simple fixes you can try right now. First, close Roblox completely. If you're on a computer, close the browser tab too. Now, swipe down on your phone and turn airplane mode on for a few seconds to disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then turn it off again to reconnect. This quick reset often clears small network issues. If that doesn't solve it, check that your date and time are set automatically. Go to your phone's general settings area and look for date and time. Make sure the option to set automatically is switched on. If the time or date is off, Roblox might fail to connect, so keeping it automatic ensures it matches the correct network time. Next, clear the Roblox cache on Android. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Use the search bar to find Roblox, open it, then tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, open the storage list, find Roblox, and choose Offload App, then reinstall it from the App Store. This removes temporary files that might be blocking the connection without deleting your game data. Finally, if Roblox still won't connect, open any web browser and search for Is Roblox Down? Sites like Down Detector will show if there's a spike in outage reports. If servers are down, you'll need to wait until Roblox fixes it on their end. And that's it. Reset your connection, turn on automatic date and time, clear the cache, and check the server status. One of these steps usually gets you back in the game quickly. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. I'll see you next time.